Hello, what's up YouTubers? My name is Adnan. Welcome to the third tutorial for this series of Angular framework. In the last tutorial, you have learned how to build an Angular project and serve that on your browser. In this tutorial, we will study our project folder. We will also edit our first Angular application, and we will also study about the TypeScript. So let's get started. I'll be using Visual Studio Code throughout this course, but you can choose any like Atom, Sublime, WebStorm IDE, etc. I will leave the link to download them in the description below. First of all, let's add our project folder to our Visual Studio Code. So I'll click Add Folder, like this PC, C, users, SD, and this is our Angular 4 app that we created in our previous tutorial. First of all, let's take a look at the project folder. Here we have 3 folders and a bunch of files. The first folder is E2E, that means end-to-end test folder. Mainly, end-to-end is used for integration testing and helps to ensure the application works fine. Then we have Node modules. The Node package manager is installed in this folder. You can see all the packages installed in this folder by simply opening it. Then we have SRC. This is the actual source folder where we will deal our Angular application. Our Angular project consists of the following files. The first one is angular-cli.json. This file contains details about the project name, the CLI version, etc. Then we have editor config. The configuration for the editor is present in this file. Then we have gitignore. Gitignore file should be committed into the repository in order to share the ignore rules with any other user that cloned the repository. Then we have karma.conf.js. This is used for unit testing. Information required for the project is available in this file. Then we have package.json. This file tells which libraries will be installed into Node modules when you run the npm install. Then we have protractor.conf.js. This is the testing configuration required for the application. Then we have tsconfig.json. This file contains compiler options required during compilation. Then we have tslint.json. This configuration file with rules to be configured while compiling. But hey, we won't dive into these files and folders right now. But our main concern will be with the SRC folder. Inside the SRC folder, we have 3 folders and a bunch of other files. So we will open our app folder. Inside the app, we have some other files. The first one is app.component.css, where our old CSS code is present. Then we have app.component.html, where our HTML code is present. And then we have 3 files with an extension of .ts. .ts means TypeScript, but we will discuss about TypeScript a bit later. Now let's make some changes into our application. So I'll open the app.component.html, where our HTML code is present, and I'll also open app.component.ts. Sorry, not the app.module.ts. And first we have to serve our application to the browser. So let's open our project folder. And I'll right click here and open the CMD here, and we'll type ng serve. I'll press enter. It will take a second to compile all the dependencies and packages. Alright, for me it's compiled successfully. I'll minimize it. Remember not to close the CMD. And now let's run our application with our browser. Localhost colon 4200 and press enter, and here comes our app that we created in the last tutorial. Now let's make some changes into it. Now here we have welcome to app. I want to change it to welcome to kid world, so I'll change here the app to world kid, and I'll save it, and we'll see. And you can see that we made some changes. It's actually not world kid, but let's make it minimize it, and let's correct it. Welcome to world kit, and save it, and you can see that we have changed our first Angular application. We also want to make some more changes. For example, we want to remove this image from here. We also want to remove these links from here. So I'll come to app.component.html and we'll remove all this image and links, but we will have to close the div too. So save it, and you can see that we have removed all those divs, links and image from there. So these were some little changes. You can also add some more stuff, like you can add h3, and you can add h3, and you can write here that this is our first Angular app, and you can save it, and you can see through that or with our browser. So these were some slight changes. We will go into more depth as we move on, but now we will discuss about what is TypeScript. As I have mentioned the term once before too, so TypeScript is a superscript to JavaScript. It offers more features than the ordinary JavaScript, like classes, interfaces, etc. And the very important thing is types. Here you describe whether a certain variable is number, string, boolean, etc. Whereas in the ordinary JavaScript you don't do that. That is an automated type language. You simply write the value, and that detects whether that is a string, integer, boolean, etc. So it is an enhancement in the TypeScript. TypeScript isn't run by the browser, but the CLI deals it. But you really don't need to learn about TypeScript for this course. But if you are interested, then jump ahead. Generally, TypeScript is an addition to JavaScript. So that's it, guys. Feel free to ask any question in the comment box, and do like this video and share with your friends. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.